So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So there, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new and you've not done that yet, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. So yesterday we did this analysis on Swiss franc JPY and we said that we will be expecting a bullish move on Swiss franc JPY. Right, this is exactly what market did. Market gave us this bullish move, right? Now expect a pullback and then another bullish move again. So above all, we will be expecting a bullish move for the day on our Swiss franc JPY because when you zoom it out, it is very clear that we are in an uptrend move. This is our trend. We all know that most markets is trending to the upside like this. Then you'll be expecting more movement to the upside. This is one of the reasons why if you have to zoom it in, right? Swiss franc JPY was able to push up, right? Now you'll be expecting a pullback and then one more movement again to the upside, right? So that is the next movement you'll be expecting, right? So we should be expecting Swiss franc JPY to push up and take out the clear this high here, right? So a bullish move for the day is what we'll be expecting next. So if there will be any updates, I'll make sure I give you guys the updates